All right, hold it. Three out of the 4 Evo lines have now failed, which is ridiculous. Thankfully, Jeremy with Disciple Off-Road, who's the one that installed them, got on the phone with one of their guys, and they're going to overnight them. However, I'm trying to leave on a trip like ASAP. So I bought 4 of these puppies, $200 for all 4 of these, which is nuts because extended lines are less than that, like aftermarket ones. I've got an energy drink, I've got the lines I need, some extra brake fluid, and it is time to get to work. So it's just past 1 a.m. and I got both the brake lines swapped. They do work. I'm gonna walk around here and do a quick leak check. Thanks to the help of my wife, we got them bled as well. I'm already noticing the stopping power of the big brake kit, which is pretty awesome. I can talk about that later, but anyways, hopefully this is the last I have to talk to you guys before we are out on our 4-day expedition. So let's hope the rest of the weekend goes smoothly, because this is a rough start to the day. We are up here for a 4-day trip. It's gonna be an awesome adventure. I'm here with Mike, Fly Fisher 350.
530.
530, excuse me. And we are basically waiting on Greg with Trail Newbie, who you guys have seen before, to come up here and join us. And then we're gonna meet up with Doc Wrangler tomorrow. We're gonna essentially spend the next couple days exploring the eastern side of the Sierra. Specifically, we are northwest of Bishop, kind of north of Mammoth as well, actually, near Bridgeport, an area that I have not explored at all. But this is kind of the second alpine lake I've been to, and it's called Levitt Lake. It was about 45 minutes or so to get up here, which was a little hairy, to be honest. The trail itself wasn't that bad, but it's been pouring down rain. It's literally like 50 to 55 something degrees like that here. We're at 9,500 feet. And because I had those stock brake lines on, I did not want to overflex my rear. So had to pick the lines very carefully. Thankfully, Mike already went and kind of scouted the route here. So that was a huge help. But we're just enjoying some Pendleton with this just insane view. I mean, you know.
Yeah, epic views here tonight.
Like it's really kind of indescribable, to be honest. And you know, if you see the way our Jeep's set up, both of him and I are rocking awnings. I have them pointed west, watching the sunset over the hills. But it's made for some really cool, picturesque scenery. We're gonna sit around here, like I said, wait for Greg, and then
Drinking Pendleton.
Yeah, drinking Pendleton, and we have a great weekend ahead. So thanks for coming along, and I hope you enjoy it.
No, exactly.
So, yeah, that might have to happen. Yeah. Look who shot of the show.
Finally.
Hey, great to meet you.
Yeah,
Greg Merrill.
nice to meet you.
Very good to meet you.
What's up, buddy? Good to see you.
That's a good word.
In a long time.
This is beautiful. You guys got all the amber glow going on and everything.
Well, Greg was nice enough to join us. Mike and I were looking to go to bed hours ago, but keep the light on for him because some people can't come on time.
Yeah, no
Thanks for
doubt.
joining us, buddy.
No, absolutely. Good to be here.
Yeah, it's gonna be a good trip.
Greg, Mike, and I enjoyed one more glass of Pendleton while we finished out the last bit of propane we had for the fire. Honestly, it was clutch because it got down to the mid-40s, as well as being in a fire ban and having a lack of firewood meant we would have been totally toast. The next morning, we awoke expecting clear skies ahead, but to our surprise, we were met with another day of rain. As much as we had hoped, though, for sun for the day's travel ahead, man, the sight of watching the clouds descend down the mountain slopes at sunrise just defied all description.
All right, so we just got to the base of Leavitt Lake. Mike and Greg are airing up down there. I found this cool rock, actually. So if I can give you guys a little better perspective here. Drive the Jeep up on. A nice old boulder. Unfortunately, Ian, Doc Wrangler, just told us he's not gonna be able to make it. His kids are a little worn out of the rain and they've been out here since Monday, which is totally understandable. So it doesn't really change our game plan. We'll still go to Bridgeport real quick, grab some supplies, and then head up to Kavanaugh. It's supposed to stop raining basically the middle of the night tonight and then be sunny the rest of the trip. So we might have to suck it up one more night. But again, I cannot recommend enough. Awning is a lifesaver. We would be either stuck in our vehicles or stuck in the tents had we not had them. Michael and I both have them, and actually I think at Kavanaugh we might actually try to back into each other so that we can get, you know, basically double our usable dry living space. But yeah, excited to bring you guys along, and we'll let them finish airing up here, and then we're gonna get on the road.
Driving on a road full of mud. Then you get stuck. But are you stuck? Can you get unstuck? This is Trail Newbie.
Nailed it.